Hey guys, today we are trying out the Morphe 2 Quad Goals Multi-Palette. It is supposed to be kind of a full face palette, excluding bronzer. In the video, I tell you guys I wish they had put bronzer in here, but it looks like this. We'll kind of get into everything. It does have a nice little mirror, and the mirror is usable. That's a good thing. But you have 4 different colors in here. I have 2, but we only use the Oh So Nudie one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. I got these online at Ulta. Right now they're on sale for a little over $11. I don't know if they will be when this video goes out, but they normally retail for $16. But I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and spending a little bit of time with me. So I'm gonna hush and let's go ahead and hop in. I have foundation and concealer on. I haven't set the concealer yet. I did put concealer on the eyelids and set them. So we are going to try this. This says the top one is made for eyes, second is for cheeks, third is for lips, and the fourth one is for face. It doesn't say exactly where or anything like that. So we're gonna try it. But as far as eyes go, I don't typically like just a shimmer. So the one that I'm going to use predominantly is the Oh So Nudie. And I also have Fresh Peach, but I'm going to probably just stick with this one unless I don't like something, then we'll try to make something else work. But I'm gonna take the shade that is for cheeks. You have 2 powders. This one's for eyes, cheeks, and then you have 2 creams, lips, and this one. This is the one that I guess is supposed to be kind of highlighter-ish. We'll see. And I wonder if you could use the lips for cheeks as well. I would really like to try that. From what I read, it says you can use any of these pretty well anywhere on the face. So that's what I'm gonna do. Well, actually, let me do this. I'm gonna rub it here. Oh. There's no color. In the pan, it looks like, you guys, there's no color. Legitimately, it is clear. How weird. Okay, you don't want to use that for cheeks. You could use it as a balmy highlighter, but there's legitimately, not flipping you off, this is just the finger I was using. It's literally just clear. Let's grab the other one. Go in here. Oh! I barely pushed into this, you guys. Barely. It completely chunked out, like made a big hole. Okay, I guess this one, and some of them were a little messed up. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. Get my face out of the way here. Can you see all those little bubbles? Like, it's not supposed to be like that, but it is like that. So I'm thinking that this one is messed up. Like, the formula is just off. Because it just, I mean, wow. So let me see if there's any color on this one. I mean, it's minuscule. It's like practically nothing. Well, that is a bummer. I expected those to have color. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and set the under eyes because clearly we cannot use this cream. Man, that started out rough because I expected that to have color. It's basically just a clear balm. Boo. Okay. Let's take the cheek shade and put it in the crease and see if we can get a little bit of a crease color going on. There is a tiny little mirror. So sorry about the rain, you guys. So sorry. It's just not gonna stop today. That's the beauty of these. You can use these for whatever you want to use them for. So I'm down with that. I love multitasking products. I'm not gonna do anything crazy here. just a little bit of a crease color just to give us some dimension. And then we'll put the one that is made for eyes on the eyes. And this went on really nicely. I'm not gonna complain about that at all. Okay, super easy, super quick. So now I'm gonna take my finger and go in to the top shade, which is the one made for eyes. Okay, that is gorgeous, you guys. It's a very shimmery, oh wow, that is so pretty. It's super shimmery, beautiful. It's not like a wet feeling metallic. It's more of your standard kind of shimmer feel. But look at that. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. This little mirror is actually really good in here too. Wow. I mean, that's gorgeous. I have absolutely no complaints. And I don't have too much fallout either. You guys, that is so beautiful. Okay, that might make up for this horrible lip, because the lip, no, it's basically just a clear balm, and it's not a good thing for me. I'm going to take a pencil brush and go back in with the blush shade that we used in the crease and just run it below. We have had such crazy weather here, you guys. We've been in like a heat wave, and then today we have had nothing but rain all night. It has not stopped raining in hours. We have a flash flood, so great weather over here, great weather. This is just going to be a really neutral blush, but I think it looks pretty. Worked on the eyes really well. It's blending on the skin very well. This I can get down with. I wish they had put a bronzer in here. Or maybe they'll make more like face palettes where this is like eye and face. I would have loved a bronzer in here. Looks really good. It's very subtle. It's not overly pigmented whatsoever. I'm gonna go ahead, throw some bronzer on really quickly, and then we're gonna try out this other one. Bronzer is on. I'm not as bronzy as I normally am, but we'll make it work. All right, so I'm gonna grab some on the finger, and then I'm gonna rub both of my fingers together. Kind of get some of that moisture out from the balm. That's what it feels like. It feels kind of like an oily balm. And then the lip one, oh, it's definitely just a balm. And then I'm gonna tap this right on the cheekbone. You guys can kind of see it there. Oh, it's very pretty. It's not as shimmery as I was thinking it would be. Okay, I can make that work. Ooh, how pretty. Okay, I love that. And again, this is still, I've not touched the peach one at all. This is all the nude one. I'm gonna grab a little bit more, do the exact same thing. I definitely recommend doing it this way because if you have powder or even regular foundation, it can really disturb your base if it has too much moisture or if it's too wet. So definitely kind of rub, rub, rub and tap, and then you're good to go. Oh. All right, now this has gotten me excited. Let me look up close. We'll see how it looks. Oh, no, it looks beautiful. Holy cow, it looks so pretty. Let me grab a brush and we'll put a little bit on the inner corner as well, because I don't want to mess up the eyes because they're so pretty. There, you can see it on the inner corner there. All right, I mean, I like 3 of the 4, so that's still pretty darn good. And I like that this balm isn't just like a glitter balm. So I'm happy about that. I'll go back in here, grab some of the lip, but it is literally just, it's a clear, it's clear. It's just a regular lip balm. Okay, I got quite a bit more. It's kind of like with this, you have to dig in there more. Like I was gently, and I mean gently, rubbing my finger in, and it eventually kind of indents in there. But when you get a bit more, you get a little bit more color payoff. It's kind of like, at first, it's just a clear balm, almost like an overspray on a product. Like that's not what it is, but you have to get quite a bit on your fingers to make it show. I'm gonna hop off of here, run. No, I'm not gonna run anywhere. That's not true. I don't even know why I said run. I'm going to do the brows and throw some lashes on, and then we'll be back to talk about this palette a little bit more. Okay guys, we are back. I put Allure 117 lashes on. They are my fave. They are my go-tos. I threw a little bit of brow gel in, mascara on the lower lashes, and that's it. So let's talk about this. Okay. I love the first shade. I mean, you guys, that is beautiful on the lids. It looks gorgeous, and you can really amp it up. You can put more mattes. The blush is really good. I liked it on the eyes better than on the cheeks. That's just strictly because of the color. My skin is more tan, so if you have lighter skin, this is going to show up a lot more on you. The lip is my least favorite. You really have to get over that top coat kind of thing to get into it, to get a little bit of color, and you have to put quite a bit on. It literally feels like a lip balm. It's not overly moisturizing. It's not sticky. I don't mind it. It's just, there's not a lot of color to it. You really have to get in there. So that's not my favorite. Now this balm, I love. I love that natural glow, that shine, that isn't overly sparkly. It isn't just a glitter balm. It's not you know, a shriek on your face. I really like that. Again, that's personal preference. I don't like that overly 2018 highlighted look. This is gorgeous. So do I recommend? Yes, I do. But I got these on sale at Ulta. Right now, as I'm filming this, they were only $11. They retail for $16 though. But I do like it. It is multitasking. You can use it for multiple things. I mean, besides bronzer, pretty well this was my full face. So I do enjoy it. I'll try out the peach and let you guys know because the colors are very different. Like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in my next one. And thank you so much for watching this and spending a little bit of time with me. Bye guys.